Alright. Now we do it. So, what's this happening? I'm gonna check it out. From Antigua, as you can see. I'm gonna enjoy it. So it is, open the door, and I have snow reaching up to my door. And I'm gonna see how this step works. Alright? Watch the foot. Yep. That's snow, guys. I shut the door behind me. Yeah, so I'm in the snow right now. You can see. I'm taking a walk in the snow. Enjoying it. It's not too bad, right? Whoa. Yep. Alright. Yep. It's my knee here. See? I'm gonna show you. You know, you gotta get a whoa. You know, this is pretty deep snow right here. GoPro. Yo. Sit right here. Snow. It's deep snow. You know we go. Let's go. View of the GoPro. Alright. So we're gonna try the fall back, you know? Just watch the fall. Whew! That was a big fall. Yeah. But you know, in the snow. Can't see too much. Person looking at me, trying to figure out what I'm doing. But it's all good. You know, I'm in the snow. Rulio from Antigua. You know how we go. Indeed. So, I'm gonna take you over to the other side. You know, I'm a little wet. Look at the cars. You know, all this good stuff. And it's pretty deep. I can say that for a fact. It looks like the snowplow came through a little earlier. But obviously that's making no difference because there's a road. There's a road here, you see. You can't really see it. But I swear to you, there's a road. You see, I'm on the road now, see. So there's a little wet, you know, from the snow. But it's all good. You know, we're just gonna take a walk over here. You know, looking at different cars in the snow. You know, it's building up nice and nice. You know, I'm just gonna take a walk around, see what's happening, how it's going. You know, it's just all snow. It's just snow everywhere. You see, this is a parking lot. You know, parking lot where the cars are supposed to be, but snow's covering them, covering the cars, trucks, walking path. I'm gonna stop the video, switch to some pictures. Just want you to know, I can see. It's really nice snow. I like the word snow, you know, let it flow, as my brethren David would say, so you may know. Go.